Famous Lebanon's writer and painter Khalil Gibran writes about dreams. Trust in dreams, for in them is hidden the gate to eternity. And he writes, "How can I lose faith in the justice of life when the dreams of those who sleep upon feathers are not more beautiful than the dreams of those who sleep upon the earth?" Hey guys, for enthralling content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Lust, libido, grievances, deprivations, love, and passion. There are so many aspects of life that derive the dream. It's not simple to discover the science behind the dreams, and the dreamer can't actually interpret his own dream accurately. Here we're trying to explain the efforts of the scientists who have tried to uncode the seen symbols in the dreams. When it comes to dreams, no one can proceed without asking help from Sigmund Freud. Dreams are not independently functional, but rather a co-product of the sleeping brain, reflecting the dreamer's physiological and psychological activities, such as memory consolidation, emotion regulation, and reception of external stimuli. Freud has a different perspective for this science. Freud regarded dreams as a royal road to the unconscious. Dream interpretation has thus been an important psychoanalytic technique. His theory of dreams mainly refers to two key points. What are the materials of a dream? And how do these materials work together? The answers to these questions are closely related to an understanding of dream interpretation. We refer to the self-organization theory of dreaming and seek to elucidate its meaning for dream interpretation. According to him, sources of dreams include stimuli from the external world, subjective experiences, organic stimuli within the body, and mental activities during sleep. Empirical evidence has supported some of these assertions. The self-organization theory of dreaming posits that memory consolidation, emotion regulation, and reception of external stimuli can contribute to dream content. Hence, dream content can contain important information about the dreamer. Freud realized that dream content is derived from but not identical to real life. Thus, he suggested that some transformation and connection must exist between these materials. He contended that these connections are not random, but rather constrained by one's unconscious desires, such that a dream is the fulfillment of a wish. He also found that disagreeable dreams seem more widespread than pleasant dreams, hence his hypothesis that dreams can disguise their true purpose, like indirectly fulfilling wishes. Freud therefore identified two types of dreams, manifest dream and latent dream. He stated that the latent dream is the real dream, and the goal of dream interpretation is to reveal it. To further elaborate on this idea, Freud proposed four mechanisms by which latent dreams can be obscured. Condensation refers to the reduction and simplification of rich contents of latent dreams. Displacement refers to a process that substitutes various aspects, for example, constituents, intensity, significance, and properties of manifest and latent dream to render them dissimilar. Symbols indicate that a latent dream is expressed by relevant signs. Secondary revision involves making disordered and incoherent dream materials more well-organized and reasonable. This mechanism causes a dream to appear meaningful, but the presented dream is in fact quite different from its actual implication. The self-organization theory of dreaming does not concur with this viewpoint. Instead, it offers a different perspective on Freud's dream work. According to this theory, the nature of condensation is the fragmentation of memories during consolidation, as this process must extract important information for further processing. Displacement, from this perspective, depends on weak control of the sleeping brain and the high degree of freedom in dream elements. In this state, the brain develops new connections between different elements. Then the self-organization mechanism combines various elements to construct a relatively concordant story, deemed secondary revision per Freud's theory. No analogous symbols exist in dream content because the elements presented therein are merely memory fragments and other components of information processing. Some researchers have also pointed out that dream symbols are too far-fetched. In other words, dreams are not riddles to be translated, and the manifest dream is the real dream. Thus, Freud's dream work does not exist according to this point of view. However, this position does not mean that the self-organization mechanism does not provide support for dream interpretation. According to self-organization theory, the sleeping brain's control of physical and mental activities is weaker than in the awake. Thus, dream elements are characterized by more freedom than mental content when an individual is awake, rendering hyper-associatively between these components. This is why dreams can present bizarre scenes and miracles that cannot happen in real life. Carl Jung has a different way to look into the matter. Jung believed that dreams are a way for the unconscious mind to communicate with the conscious mind. He also believed that dreams are symbolic and can have multiple meanings. To do dream work, it is important to keep an open mind and look at the dreams from different perspectives. Jung used the method of amplification to understand dreams. To do this, he would take a symbol or image from a dream and amplify it by doing research on the meaning of the symbol. This might come from myths, fairy tales, or folklore. By amplifying dreams, we can gain a deeper understanding of their meaning. There are 3 types of meanings to consider. 1. Personal. Give your personal associations to symbols in the dream. For example, if you dream about a house you lived in when you were younger, you may have childhood memories associated with a specific time in your life. 2. Cultural. Once you've thought about personal associations, you can look at cultural meanings of the symbols in your dream. For example, the eagle in American culture may represent freedom, while in Native American cultures it could represent strength, wisdom, and courage. 3. Archetypal. Lastly, consider the archetypal meaning of dream symbols. These are the universal meanings of symbols that are found in all cultures. For example, water may represent emotions or the unconscious mind. Emotion is a pivotal factor during sleep. Several investigations have revealed that dreams are often accompanied by emotions, especially negative ones. Many researchers have identified a close relationship between dreams and emotions, even labeling emotions indispensable to dream formation. For instance, noted that images serving as nodal points in an individual's memory network are connected by similar types of effect, indicating that effect plays an essential role in memory organization. Further conjectured that strong effect during sleep evokes existing images that are loaded with similar effect and hence activate relevant earlier experiences to form a dream. Hypothesized the following chain of processes. Emotions in sleep are activated and combined to form different emotional scripts, which then serve as templates and replicate a series of images to finally construct a dream narrative. Stated that combinations of dream elements are not random but rather guided by emotion. Accordingly, dreams are helpful for building and rebuilding an individual's emotional memory system. In brief, emotions likely play the role of order parameters. They control and guide combinations of dream elements. Emotions can therefore serve as a springboard in comprehending dreams. For instance, perhaps traumatic experiences constitute a core theme of a patient's dreams, suggesting an avenue for further treatment. The self-organization theory of dreaming offers a framework distinct from psychoanalytic theories to explain how dreams are generated and operate. This theory proposes that dreams are a byproduct of the dreamer's physical and mental state during sleep, distinguishes between manifest and latent dream, and points out that the dream work proposed by Freud is actually a result of information processing and self-organization in the sleeping brain. However, this theory allows the therapist to derive important information, for example, significant memories, from dream content, and underscore emotions as a potential order parameter that can provide an effective means of grasping the core of a dream. Therefore, dream analysis may still prove useful in the therapeutic process. That's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.